When times are hard, feels out of place. Our fading love takes us back to yesterday. The bed is cold from our mistakes. Sheets so empty though we never liked the space. Woke up, I'm half drunk, got a feeling we ain't done. Cause anywhere you run, no one's gonna know you better. Cause I was your first one, back when we were so young. You can go and have your fun, I know we'll still wake up together. Hold you every day, every day. I wait. We're trapped inside these paper walls, side by side, still together, we're apart. All these years, the high and lows, all we know is us, now we can't let it go. Woke up home half drunk, got a feeling we ain't done. Cause anywhere you run, no one's gonna know you better. Cause I was your first one, back when we were so young. Oh, you can go and have your fun, I know we'll still wake up together. I hold you every day, every day. I wait. I told you every day, every day. I wait. Every day I wait. Every day, every day I wait.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan semangat pagi. Kami dari unit bisnis Balai Kota Matoangin Makassar. Alhamdulillah pada hari ini Minggu 31 Maret 2019 sudah melaksanakan acara fun trip, yaitu acara jalan-jalan sekaligus refreshing dari teman-teman sales force di Witel Makassar, khususnya di unit bisnis Balai Kota Matoangin. Acara ini kami selenggarakan dengan tujuan pertama sebagai wujud rasa syukur atas pencapaian kami selama tahun 2018. Unit bisnis Balai Kota Matoangin alhamdulillah menjadi salah satu penyokong utama NAL IndiHome di Witel Makassar, termasuk di KTI. Kedepannya kami harap performa ini masih bisa terus kami pertahankan atau bahkan kami tingkatkan, dan mudah-mudahan perjuangan ini juga didukung oleh teman-teman di seluruh komponen Witel Makassar. Teman-teman, Makassar! Juara!